What in the world is going on with the stock market? My portfolio is down 7% today. Yikes. Not good, guys. But I hope that your portfolio is doing a little bit better. Let's dive into how we can best benefit from this time and where we can make the most money. First off, the S&P 500 was down almost 2% today. This is significant, but it's not as significant as many other dates. Even back in March of 2020, go back to 2008, go back to previous recessions, it's not as bad as those recessions. The biggest concern right now and why the market is red is because of the Fed and them raising interest rates, as well as earnings reports from Netflix and from Peloton and all this drama going on in the stock market. Everybody's just concerned. They're worried about what the future holds, what this means for companies. Are companies not going to be earning as much money? Companies earned record amounts of money in 2020 and 2021 due to the stimulus package, right? Many Americans had extra disposable income because the government was giving them extra money in addition to their jobs. And they were going out and spending that money. And that was the purpose of that money. And companies had huge revenue and huge growth and huge profits. And now companies aren't seeing those same profits. Peloton isn't selling as many bikes. They're kind of maxed out. Netflix isn't getting as many subscribers because people aren't just sitting at home watching Netflix anymore. Companies are leveling off again, and it has Wall Street a little bit scared, but you don't need to be scared. It will be okay. The market will always come back. If you look at the S&P 500, it has been a pretty rough last week. We're down over 5% over last week. But if you look at the last year, the S&P 500 is up over 13%. That's well over an average increase in a one-year period for the S&P 500. As well, if you take a look at the 5-year period of the S&P 500, it's up over 93% over the last 5 years. That's incredible, you guys. That's a 20% increase year over year, which is absolutely crazy and much higher than the moving average for the last 100 years. It's not to say that the market won't keep dropping or drop some more over the next month, 6 months. There's no way of predicting per se what's going to happen, but what you can predict is how much money are you going to save, how much money are you going to invest, and eventually how much money is that money going to make you while you're continually investing. Don't wait to time the stock market. Nobody times it perfectly. It's nearly impossible to time perfectly. Keep investing consistently over time, and you will grow your money if you just stick at it and be consistent. Heard a quote, it says, consistency brings competency, brings mastery, brings being paid ridiculous amounts of money. So stick with that. Everything will be okay. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day.